are on NH24. Now this road will take us till Moradabad, and most probably will take a turn from either from Moradabad or from Rampur. That will do as per the instruction from Google Map. So this is NS24. If you are from Delhi or you are coming from Delhi and if you want to go to Almora, this is the road you need to touch.
Take the next left onto National Highway 9.
We have crossed the town of Ghaziabad and we are going towards Moradabad on the same highway. We are crossing, we have just crossed city of Hapur and we have taken this bypass. So we are not getting into the city, but we are bypassing the city by this good condition highway. So after some struggle at Hapur, because there was a traffic jam and there was a traffic at such an early hours of the day, but we could cross it. Now we got a nice clean good road and we are able to drive at 100 km/h. Now we have reached the town called Garhmukteshwar. This is a religious place, and the main reason of it being a religious place is that this town is on the bank of river Ganga. We are on still on highway and we are going to take a sharp left turn from here, which is called Rampur Road. So this is the road which we are going to take turn from. It's a sharp left. So if we go straight, we'll go to Rampur city. So we are not going to Rampur city, we are going to Rampur Road. So we have driven for some time on Kashipur Road, and from there we have there was a T point from where we have taken a road called MDR 65W31 km, and there is another turn after 31 kilometers. So I have to be on this road for next 30 odd kilometers. So this is a good road. It's a, I think, interstate highway which is MDR 65W. It's very green around. I cannot keep high speed, so I have to be very careful on this road while driving. So we are on our way to Bajpur and we are now crossing the city called Tanda. We have reached Bajpur, and from here we have to drive for next 26 kilometers more, and after that there is a turn. Most probably that is the turn that will take us into the hills. So we are on a road which is surrounded by the jungle on both the sides. So we are very close to Jim Corbett Park, and our turn is also very close. I think just So this is the junction, actually a T point. If you take left turn from this place, we can reach Jim Corbett, which is 44 kilometers from here. And but we need to go straight.
Turn left onto State Highway 41.
So we are turning towards Nainital. This is called Kaladungi. This place is called Kaladungi, and this is the way
Continue
which.
on State Highway 41 for 36 kilometers.
So this is State Highway 41. It goes directly to Nainital, but since we are going to Almora, we will take a turn from somewhere in between, and I'll update you. We have reached Nainital, but we will not be staying in Nainital. We will be crossing Nainital. So we are right now in the middle of the city. We are crossing Bhavali and we are on our way to Almora. So from Nainital we have come to Bhavali, and from Bhavali we'll go to Almora. And from Almora there is a further, I think, drive of 30 odd kilometers to Binsar. We have reached a place called Kainchi, which is very famous because of the temple. This is the temple of Neem Karori Baba, and this is a very famous place for the localites. So
Journey signal lost.
we are now reaching Almora town and passing through it. So we are just approximately 30 kilometers away from our final destination, that is Binsar. What a localite told me, that there is a bypass, and I have to take that bypass to avoid the city traffic and go directly to Binsar.
अपन लाइट
बोलो.
और
Stop.
लाइट
Stop.
Our resort here still is close to 22 kilometers away. No, less than 19 kilometers away. Very soon we'll be there. It's a very beautiful place. So we are almost there. Lush green, very serene and peaceful.